Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and as always I'm excited to have you here. So on today's video we are making bleach, and for this video you will only need 3 ingredients. Imagine guys, just 3 and you'll be done. So for this video, of course, you'll need a basin for mixing, something you can stir the mixture with, and also water, enough water for the chemicals that you bought. I bought chemicals enough for 5 liters, so that's what we'll have. And for the ingredient, we have just 3 of them. So we have number 1, number 2 and 3, and that's all you need. That's all guys, and within minutes you are done making your bleach, enough for a month plus, just in 3 minutes. So without too much talking, let's get into the video and on to the ingredient number 1. Ingredient number 1, that's what we'll start with. So there we go. And by the way, make sure to do this in an open air space, just to be on the safe side. It is very important that you keep it safe, very important. So that number 1, so we go to number 2, sorry for that. We add that one, then we do a bit of mixing and go to the next ingredient. So let's do a mix a bit. We mix them a bit like that. It is very easy and simple. I would highly recommend this because it does not take too much of your time, and it will serve you for a while. You'll forget about buying bleach for a while. So on to ingredient number 3, and for this one you have to be very careful with it, very careful. I would recommend that you use some scissors to avoid any spill. Personally, I tried to force it open, and I ended up getting a spill, and it was quite itchy. So be careful, use some scissors and you'll be good to go. Be careful with it, just don't force it open. Use some scissors and that's it. Then we mix a bit. The next step is adding your water, and that will be just it. Imagine you are done. After adding water, that's it. You let it sit for 4 days, and in those 4 days make sure you give the mixture a stir every day for 4 days, and after the 4 days it will be ready for use. Just make sure you strain it. You can use a carrier bag for the straining, but it's not a must. It will be so clear, but anyway, just if you feel you want to strain, you can do that. Use a carrier bag, and then after that, for the sediment at the bottom, you can use that to scrub your floors, especially the toilet. Nothing goes to waste, but if you feel this is not your thing, you can just throw it away, but it is good for the scrubbing. And after that, you are good to go. You have bleach for a month plus, within minutes. That's just it guys. I'm so glad that you've taken your time to watch up to this point. Thank you so much. Make sure to give this video a like, also subscribe if you have not, and I hope you have enjoyed this video guys, and it was of help to you. So that is it from me. I'm so happy that we are done with this one. See you on the next one, guys.